Hi everyone, my name is Carla and I'm an Assistant Product Manager here at RYOBI. With our large range of cutting tools, RYOBI has everything you need, from precise cuts when pruning 5mm bushes to felling 35cm diameter trees. The 18-volt 1 Plus products are perfect for small pruning applications between 5mm and 25cm cutting capacity. For even heavier cutting tasks, the max power 36-volt range is great for felling, bucking and limbing 25cm to 35cm trees. I'm very excited to present the two newest cutting products that are exclusive for you, our authorised retailers. The first product I have for you today is the newest addition to the 18-volt pruning range, the 18-volt 1 Plus brushless secateurs. These are not any regular secateurs, as these are 100% powered, making pruning faster, simpler and more effortless than ever. With brushless technology, they cut branches up to 28mm in diameter and up to 1,500 cuts with a single 1.5 amp hour battery. Perfect for pruning in your back garden for extended periods of time. The ergonomic lightweight design and simple trigger activation enables even those with hand injuries or limited hand strength to provide maximum cutting at any angle. Delivering fast, clean and precise cuts thanks to their high-quality chrome-plated SK5 hardened steel bypass blades. In addition, there is an LED area light to improve visibility and cutting precision when pruning in dense, dark bushes. The brushless secateurs also feature a toolless blade change system for quick and easy exchange from old to new blades. New blades are available as an accessory ready for when you've worn out your old blades. Other accessories are also available to enhance your user experience. The perfect example of this is the new holster. Easy and comfortable to wear by wrapping it around your waist, the secateurs can be strapped in at your hip, allowing you to have free hands and quick access to your secateurs. Also available is the new sharpening stone, made of silicon carbide and 320 grit, perfect for sharpening blunt blades. Overall, the 18-volt 1 Plus brushless secateurs are fantastic for pruning small branches and trees to promote healthy plant growth. Moving on to our max power range, I'm happy to present you the new brushless 40cm and 30cm chainsaw, a cutting tool that is perfect for taking on heavier duty cutting tasks. The max power brushless motor delivers 22.5 meters per second chain speed and a huge amount of torque and power, which will help maintain a higher cutting speed and enable you to saw through hard timbers with ease and efficiency. This power, combined with a 40cm bar or 30cm bar, makes it a brilliant tool for felling, bucking, limbing and preparing logs for firewood. Whether you are an experienced chainsaw user or a beginner, the simple-to-use, robust tooled chain tensioning system will help you maintain a perfectly tensioned chain for optimal cutting over extended periods. In addition, this chainsaw has an automatic bar and chain oiling system, meaning you can continue cutting for longer without having to stop to lubricate the chain. The ergonomic lightweight design provides a more comfortable handling experience and features an over-molded handle to help you stay in full control whilst cutting. The innovative debris deflector ensures that wood chips are directed away from the user. Additionally, a plastic sheath is included to protect the bar and chain for safe storage, to protect the tool and the user when not in use. Another key safety feature of this chainsaw is the rapid mechanical and electronic chain brake system. In the event of a kickback, this brake will rapidly stop the chain to help keep you safe. Just insert one of our 36-volt batteries and you can start cutting straight away. You no longer need to buy fuel, then accurately mix the oil and tie your arms out pulling a starter cord like a petrol chainsaw. Better still, one 6 amp hour battery enables you to make over 65 cuts on a single charge. Our max power chainsaws are truly comparable to petrol chainsaws in relation to chain speed, cutting performance and power. The benefits of DC chainsaws are extensive, including zero emissions, less maintenance, and twice as quiet, so you won't be upsetting your neighbours. So there we have it, exclusive to you, our authorised retailers, 2 great new and exciting products for different cutting applications, ideal for our users to maintain the perfect garden. Thank you very much for watching.